After this genius trick, everyone is making this recipe for dinner. In a medium bowl, start by adding 4 slices of bread. Then add 50 milliliters of milk and mash the bread well until it dissolves. This is the right consistency. After doing that, in a large bowl add 500 grams of ground beef, the bread we prepared, 1 medium onion, grated, a whole egg, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chimichurri, and mix everything very well until combined. This is the right mix. Now, take a handful of this meat mixture and shape it into a burger patty just like I'm doing. Repeat this process with all the meat mixture. Then, transfer everything to a large baking tray lined with non-stick paper. And with a spoon greased with vegetable oil, make a hole in the middle of each patty just like I'm doing. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. And set aside. After doing that, grate 2 boiled eggs using the largest holes on the grater. Transfer them to a medium bowl. Season with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper. Add 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, parsley to taste, and mix everything very well until combined. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. This is the right mix. Now, add 1 tablespoon of this mixture we prepared on top of each burger patty, just like I'm doing. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 25 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.